Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Today I would want to talk about few personalities, both in the current and in the ancient past. Lokamaanya Tilak, he was one of the leading freedom fighters of India. Not only that, he was a very great Ganapati Upasaka. If you observe in the ancient past, the Ganapati Darshanam, the Ganapati school of Tantras were more in Andhra and in Maharashtra region and little bit of Karnataka region. And Lokamanya Tilak had Siddhi and Mahaganapati mantra. He had the Purna Anugram of Lord Ganesha. It was only at the command of the Lord of Infinite Ganas that he constituted and initiated the process of Ganapati festival every year in Maharashtra, which also coincides with the Ganapati Navaratri. So he was a very great Upasaka. And one more personality is the great Shivaji Maharaj, who was an Amsha of Lord Shiva. He was a great Devi Upasaka. He was a Srividya Upasaka and also a Upasaka of Chinnamasta, which he handed over to the Mantra Diksha to his son Sambhaji Rao. Shivaji Maharaj also, he when he ascended the throne, it was through a process of Samrajya Diksha. A tantric master officiated the ceremony. You would ask, what is the paddhati, what is the procedure? I think he would have followed the procedure that is elaborated and hinted in Mahanirvana Tantra. And Sambhaji Rao was a great Upasaka of Chinnamasta, Prachanda Chandika Chinnamasta, that enabled him to have physical strength more than an ordinary human being. He had the strength of equal to 100 men, and he could fight with, like our famous action star of all times, Bruce Lee. He could fight without weapons and with weapons against 100 people successfully. But during the ambush that the Mughals captured him, it involved several hundred soldiers, and they finally subdued him. And when they started torturing him, like the typical ISIS torture, that cutting off his limbs every day, and finally they chopped off his head, he was able to withstand that inhuman treatment and the torture because of his Siddhi in Chinnamasta. Then you would ask, why did Devi not give him opportunity to escape, or why didn't Devi did not warn him about the ambush? These are the mysterious ways of the Divine Mother. When we do not know, and our questions do not give answers, then we will have to submit it to the will of the Divine Mother. Hers is a cosmic mind, and we are a tiny frame of a human being in this vast, infinite, ever-growing cosmos. So how would we be able to understand her decisions? Then there, among the inner circles of Sri Vidya, we do not accept Gandhi to be a great Upasaka of being a great Rama Upasaka. Because if you are doing a Upasana of Rama Nam Japam, whether it is mantras of Rama or doing the Rama Nam Japa, that would not give you the manipulative mind, or give you an extroverted mind to deal with politics or worldly affairs, or to engage very extensively with people. That it will lead you to seclusion and isolation. Then the other personality which I want to speak about is Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was the previous president of India. The previous, I mean, long back, and he was a very great Devi Upasaka. Great, I mean, in terms of his commitment to daily Parayanam of Devi Saptashati every day, even when the parliament was in session. He used to do that every day, and then only used to attend to the worldly matters. And then we have the controversial, ever public figure of Digvijay Singh, a great Congress leader in his own party. We may criticize him for many things from nationalistic and Hindutva perspective, but he is one of the very, very few political leaders who completed the entire Narmada Yatra on foot. So we should be able to appreciate people. Maybe we should go beyond what they speak and see what they do in action, as my guru used to tell. Then there are a lot of And if you see even in the very ancient past, Parshurama, he had among all the Dashavataras of Lord Vishnu, he was the only one who had more powers and more fierce he was. It was owing to his Siddhi in Bala Tripura Sundari mantras. So Bala, she is a Swarupam of the infinite Shakti of Divine Mother. If one is able to get her Purna Siddhi and Purna Anugraham, one is able to get that superhuman and energy which even a Avatara Purusha cannot have. So that she is able to bestow. And Lord Kalki, who is going to come after millions of years, when during the ending of Kali Yuga, he will also be graced by Bala Tripura Sundari, and he would fight like Bala Tripura Sundari alone, single-handedly, vanquishing all the enemies. Such is the glory of Bala Tripura Sundari. Although her Vidya is given at the beginning of the Shri Vidya path, many Upasakas and many Shri Vidya gurus, they actually underestimate Bala Tripura Sundari. Her Triaksha Vidya is called a Shuddha Vidya. In the entire Mantra Shastra, only that is given the title of Shuddha Vidya. That is called as pure knowledge. She's beyond everything. And my Atma Guru had experienced her as in person, and also experienced her as the Hankaram that is present in all the 100 trillion gods. She is the source of all the Big Bang. But she appears in the form of a small child, very gentle, very Somya. But there's a hidden facade or hidden background, such is her energy levels. And anybody who has got the Purna of Bala Tripura Sundari he can be on par with any of the Avatara Purushas. And then about the recent controversy, people have asked me about the host of the platform where initially my interviews came. What is there for me to comment? It's all samsara. Words are words. They are empty words. People may say good things, people may say bad things, people may say perverted things, people may say noble things. But it doesn't hold any meaning at all if you see from the ultimate reality perspective. And why would I want to speak about each and everything? I'm not anybody's advocate, nor I'm a spokesperson for morality or for Sanatana Dharma. These things are all like the flow and ebb of the ocean waves. They come and go. You have news now, you have some other news tomorrow. Such is our materialistic mind. We get distracted every moment, every second. That's about it.